and welcome to today's Rumba lesson. We will look at choreography, open hip twist, Cuban rocks in syncopated timing, hockey stick Cuban rocks and steps 4 to 6 of open hip twist. In Cuban rocks, we will transfer weight from one foot to the other, and footwork classically is flat foot, but we can use also ball of foot. We will use today Cuban rocks in two positions, in fan position and in open position. Let's look at choreography with the count and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. After rocks in open position, lady will use swivel. Man starts choreography with left foot check, forward walk, replace, close, back, replace, forward walk turning in fan position, rock, 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 check forward, replace, close, back, replace, forward walk, rock, 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 backward walk, replace and forward walk turning, finishing in fan position. Lady starts with right foot back, replace, forward walk and swivel, forward walk turning, backward walk, rock, 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 close, forward, 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 forward walk turning, backward walk, rock, rock, rock and swivel, forward walk turning and backward walk, finishing in fan position. Now let's thank our demonstrators Edgars and Eliza, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I also ask you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn from me, from Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.